Alright, I thought we'd do a cold start just for shits and giggles, and it is a cold start. It's like 35 degrees and nasty out. And for the hell of it, I had a Sunpro sitting around. It's not really mounted, but I did just finished dropping it, but also I was gonna say I just finished connecting it to where I think it goes. We haven't even tried starting it, so if I got it wrong, I got it wrong. And you can all bear witness to it, but I'm pretty sure I got it right. So we're gonna wedge it somewhere. I don't feel like holding it the whole time. There, I don't want. Nah, it's just gonna rattle itself out. I'll be right back. Hold on. All right, there. I think it actually is gonna end up staying there. Kind of like that spot, but that's where I wedged it, and hopefully it stays. All right, let's see if your slip turns on. Hold on. All right. She clicked. Is the light on? The light's on. Alright. Pumpage. It's fucking cold. Come on, baby. Hey! Kinda curious to see where fast idle's at. Better get some heat in her. It'll go up, and then it should drop off. The carb is actually in remarkably good condition. I think somebody just rebuilt it not too very long ago. I'm not going to make you guys watch this. I'll be back when it changes. She's warming up a little bit. You'll hear the choke kick out. And then you just got to tap it and she goes right down. I kind of want to see where the normal idle's at too. I've never seen what this thing does with the tech. I know what it does by ear, but I've never actually seen what the RPMs are at. So I was just kind of curious. It's a 1982 GMC S-15 with a 2.8 V6. And the 5-speed. She's getting there. You'll hear it kick out in a second. It's got a crack in one of the headers, that's why it's so loud. Or the headers, I'm sorry, exhaust manifolds. And that will be getting replaced shortly. Other than that, it's in perfect mechanical condition. I'm actually surprised at how well it runs. It's got 151,000 on it. Haven't really driven it much, but it does shift nicely. The little that I have had it out. She wants to warm up. That choke's finally trying to warm up and let go. Any second. There it goes. I mean, it's cold. There she goes. What's that sitting at? About 700? 750-ish? Cool. Alright. And now I just gotta mount that and hide some wires, obviously, because this current setup is not gonna work. But there it is.